Hi everybody, Chuckleberry Jim here, and as you can see, today I'm doing my RYA Level 2 Powerboat course. It's the first day today at the Sailing Club. Just met the instructors and we've done the first part of the session, basic information, and now we're going to go out on the water. So it's tipping it down with rain, so it's not ideal, so we're all clogged up in our waterproofs. I will update you later. So we're on the RYA Powerboat Level 2 course. We're in the harbour of Christchurch and we're in one of the club launches, and we're just doing figure of eights around buoys at the moment. We've gone round forward, now we're going round backwards, and now we're going to have another go at something else. I'll update you later. Morning everyone. So today we're back out on the powerboats and we're now practicing coming alongside. So behind me you'll see the boat coming in, and they're going to attempt to do a stop at the quay wall. Okay, so we've got a change of helm now, so Mike's going to show us how it's done. Man overboard! So some close quarters manoeuvring now. Gone up the river to a small section with some boat hazards, and we're going to try and turn around using forward and reverse. And there we go, like a pro, that's how it's done. So last challenge is to get the boat back onto its floating pontoon where it lives. So just have the talk through, and now we're going to try and get it up on there. Just moving the ducks out the way.